Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of learning YouTube channel. By this channel you can able to learn so many videos and it is going to develop your mathematics skills, and people who are feeling problem and people who are getting back. If you follow my Be Inspired, you are going to become the topper of your class. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. So we are solving exercise 2.2 and we already solved first question and second question in the previous class. That is, find the product by suitable arrangement, and in the same way find addition also in a suitable arrangement. Just you are going to arrange in such a way that to get tens, multiples of tens, and by that multiples of tens it is very easy for us to add either for addition or for multiplication. That's what we completed in the previous video, the first question and second question. Now we'll move on to the third question in the exercise 2.2. So what is the third question? He is asking just find the value of the following. We will just try to find the value of the following. So what is the question he is asking here to us? Find the value of the following. So we will just try to find the value of the following. What is the first question he given to us? If you observe properly, 297 is common, so we will just remove 297 into, and if I remove 297 and into, what is left? 17. And next what symbol is there? Plus, and 297 is there already, into is there already. What is the number left? 3. 297 multiplied by 17 plus 3 is 20. So you just multiply 297 with 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 nines are 18 plus carry 1 19, 2 twos are 4 plus carry 1 5. 5940, because we have 0, so that is the reason we are just going to add 0 in the last. In this way you are going to find the value of this. Now next question. So which is common by following the same rule? Which is common number here? 54,279. So we will just remove that 54,279 multiplication symbol, and 92, what is the symbol left? Plus, and 8. 54,279 multiplied by 92 plus 8 is 100. So just simply add 2 zeros in the last. Yes, that is the multiplication, easier way of multiplication with tens, hundreds, thousands, like that. So 54 lakhs 27,900. And coming to the next question, what is common? 81,265. So if I remove this multiplication symbol, 169. In the previous question we have a symbol plus, and here in this question we have a symbol of minus. What is there? 69. 81,265 multiplied by 169 minus 69 is 100. So this also 81 lakhs 26,500. Just simply adding zeros in the last. Instead of 100, if you have 200 or 300 like that, just multiply with 3 and just add the zeros. That is only a simple change which we can apply for that. So what is the number? 3,845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. So which number we will take common over here? If I will take 5 table common, this multiplications will be as it is. So here we are going to take common 3,845 into 5, and here 769 into 25. If you multiply, what number you will get is 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus carry 2 22. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 is 4 42. 5 3s are 15 plus carry 4 is 19. And 769 multiplied by 25. 5 9s are 45. 5 6s are 30 plus carry 4. 5 7s are 35 plus carry 3. Now 2 9s are 18. 2 6s are 12 plus 1 3. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 5 12. 8 plus 4 12. 3 plus 5 8 9 and 9. So you just remove these two numbers common now. Nothing but 19,225 multiplied by 782 plus 19,225 multiplied by 280. So this is your common number now. 19,225 multiplied by 782 plus 280. So what is the answer we will get? 19,225 into 2 plus 8 10, 8 plus 2 10, 7 plus 2 9 10. So the answer is just adding 2 zeros in the last. 1,92,25,000. Okay. So what is the next question? Did you understood? So the main logic here you have to do is, he given 3 numbers, so that is the reason which 2 numbers will multiply, will get this, we will check, and then we have to take common and multiply. After doing either addition or subtraction, you will get multiples of tens, and then your multiplication will be very easier. Okay. Okay, shall I move on to the next question? Find the product using suitable properties. So in this question we will just follow distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So here I am just changing 103, I am writing 103 as 100 plus 3. So in this my value of A is 738, B is 100, C is 3. So now this I am going to substitute the value of A, B, C in this question. 738 into 100 plus 738 multiplied by 3. So 73,800 plus 738 multiplied by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 3 3s are 9 plus carry 2 11. 3 7s are 21 plus carry 1 22. 2,214. Now add 1's place. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 3 6. And the answer is 76,014. Now in the same way we will follow this. 854 multiplied by 100 plus 2. 854 multiplied by 100 plus 854 multiplied by 2. So 854 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 plus 117. 85,400 plus 1,708. Now just add this last two digits. 0 plus 8 is 8. Now tens place, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now hundreds place, 4 plus 7 is 11. And carry on the thousands. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus carry 1 is 7. And there is no 10,000, so we will write 10,000s directly. So the answer will be 87,108. I hope you all understand my class. So to prevent coronavirus, wash your hands regularly. Try to cover your face while you are coming outside, and before using any object, clean the objects, sanitize the objects. Eat food thoroughly food. Don't try to touch your mouth, eyes and nose unnecessarily. Avoid crowded places. And salute to the Corona warriors. Thank you so much, dear Corona warriors. Thank you for watching.